All right, back here on Joey's Mustang, we're going to chase our engine noise, and a lot of me is thinking it's down at the bell housing, like the flywheel's loose or something. But real quick, I just wanted to pull the valve covers, check the Valvetrain, verify everything up here is good and solid, and then we will get started on pulling the trans out.
Hi, Joey.
It's Scotty.
Hi, baby. What you doing?
Oh, boy. All right, so I'm going to pull this valve cover off, check in here, pull the other valve cover, check in there, and then button her back up. All right, everything here on the driver's side, we're good, Valvetrain-wise. There's nothing with excessive lash or hanging off, so far so good over here. Right, so I have the passenger side valve cover off, and that's pretty damn loose. What say you, boys?
That's pretty damn loose.
And none of these should be, I mean, some of these valves should be open.
Some of those are worse than some of the dates I've had.
Oh my God, Scotty.
Hey, it's Joey. Joey loves it. So
I know, he loves your humor.
yes.
So
So we make him happy.
I'm gonna run this over by hand, and
We'll fix this
we're gonna
while
fix
we...
the
Oh my
alternator
God,
belt.
that's
Well,
like...
it launched the belt off.
Oh, shit.
Anyway, that's not a big deal right
Yeah.
now. We're gonna deal with this concern. So I'm going to check this out. Now, these are lock nuts, everybody. So they shouldn't loosen up unless, A, you have a cam that's going flat. Scotty,
Go ahead, I'm trying to do the same thing.
can we focus? I'm discussing with you.
Yes, sir.
you.
Sorry.
So either a cam going flat, or because these heads have pressed in rocker studs, the studs are starting to pull out, which I actually have had that happen in my crate motor race.
Yeah.
I've had them pull out during a race. That's real fun.
Damn.
Anyway, so I'm going to run this over by hand, readjust everything. This is a hydraulic cam. Readjust everything, fire it up, and see if it shuts it up. If not, then we have deeper issues, and we're going to have a little convo with Mr. Joey.
Yeah.
All right. So I've went in and adjusted all of our Valvetrain. Got about a half a turn out of all of them. It does have a hydraulic cam, so I'm gonna put the valve cover back on. We're gonna fire this baby up. We're gonna see what we got going, and hopefully that might be the shut up. But you know, we have to chase things down, figure out what exactly we have going on. So just covering all our bases, all right. Got our valve cover back on here. Everything's back together. I'm gonna hook up our coil again. So we're gonna plug this in. Get in there, bitch. Get that situation under control. All right. Get our air cleaner back on. Deal with our belt situation. Scotty, did you see if we had that belt, sir?
Yes, sir. I will double check that now. I got caught up with the project.
Gotcha. Let's do that. Get that handled and then we'll drive. Scotty swapped out our belt. Got everything back together. All our Valvetrain been adjusted.
It's better. We're gonna have to.
Then you want to idle.
right, we'll be back. We'll let it warm up, see what she does, and we'll go from there, guys. We'll keep you informed, I promise.